Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Devil. In previous tutorial we are complete this sidebar. In this tutorial we are complete header section and active night mode. So now introduce in our color plate website where you can RGB colors to get. So now first of pick one color code for button. So in here I am to copy it and change to my button colors. So open your CSS and in root section to write button color btn color, and in this btn color we have to which is copied, so paste it here. Okay, paste in here. And changes where we are using for aquamarine color var btn color. Okay, and in here var variable btn color. Okay, we are changes everything where we are using aquamarine colors. Okay, now let's see changes. Yeah, it looks cool. Okay, but in this night mode is not worked, and when we are open toggle but don't close, it's not function added. So now we are write JavaScript. Okay, in previous is our open menu on outside click, but when close outside menu is not written here. So document dot add event listener click function event, where in event listener for click event on the entry comment document. So now a condition, check this condition element where target is not of the menu element. So if menu dot contains target, but in here mistake for menu text, so replace only menu. Okay, so menu dot class list dot remove, and in this parenthesis open. So which is in this condition what is checked if this menu is open or not. If this is open event, then remove open function. So document dot event, in this body style our body style padding left 0 and text for each function text and index. So actually understand this logic. Action if the condition is meet, remove the open class from the menu and closing it. Set the body left padding to 0 and interacts over its element with the class menu text and removes the open to class with the delay for each element. So I have to change timeout and text dot class list remove open to. Okay, in previously is open and close this outside click. Yeah, now we have to write a theme toggle for day night and daylight. So constant day night, and in this constant day night variable document dot query selector theme change button. In theme change button, where we are using in our HTML file button for theme change. Okay, what is this 7 quotation? So double quotation we are using and paste. Yeah, it's okay. Now daylight, in the daylight dot add event listener dot toggle click and event function. Yeah, and document body style class list and toggle, in this toggle which is my dark. Okay, in style.css we are using when dark then body dot dark, because initially we are a variable assigned for dark. So if document body style body class list contains dark. Okay, in this condition check and local storage dot set item theme and dark. Here using two. First one is our theme and second one is dark, and else theme and night. Okay, is a light, but and in this case we can't update, so update icon when night mode and light mode. So update, we are changing our update icon. Okay, so in this here selection and event listener and theme toggle and local storage, but in local storage saves the current themes preference dark or light to local storage for precedence. And now theme mode for as a function. So in a function initializing for updating themes. So if local storage dot get item theme is not null, then if local storage dot get theme obviously light. Okay, and in when in this condition is fulfilled, then we have to document dot body dot class list and dot remove dark. Okay, else is dark, else is add dark. You can use for light, otherwise replace the remove in this here add dark. Okay, but in this function we cannot write new conditions, so update icons here. Now in update icon is a function, so write a new function update icon. So constant icon equals to daylight and dot query selector I, because in our HTML says we are using for a single icon, so we have to change in our icon where we are using fa moon, that we are using for HTML icons. But so when dark mode is not dark mode, then body dot class list contains dark and icon class list. Yeah, and in here to change our icon for sun. and change in our theme mode. Okay, so theme mode function. What is theme mode function? Theme mode function check if there is a stored theme preference local storage. If the theme is light, removes the dark class from the body. Other and update icon function select the icon element within the day and night button. Okay, but in our site it's not visible because we have to change some style.css. Okay, and in our need a color for dark mode. I have to copy this code and new variable dark, yeah, assign in here. So now I have to write new code for body dot dark and copy this option and paste in here. But you body dot dark hover, no hover, so background color is variable for dark, yeah, good, and color is white. Now you can see, but in here our sidebar is not visible because we are using same colors for day and night. So replace for our colors. In here we are using for a white color, and in here using for black, and in here using, and we are changed to our variable for dark. Okay, now save this file and check it. Wow, it looks good. So now we need a top bar for navigation. So okay, now let's go in our HTML file and write a new content for top bar. Okay, in this top bar, so dot top bar and new container and dot logo and image for in our site logo. Okay, save this file and okay, in our style.css have to top bar. Okay, cool, and the top bar display flags and background color variable for okay, padding 0, borders shadow 0 pixel, 2 pixel, 4 pixel, and RGBA 0, 0, 0 and 0.1. Okay, it is our box shadow, you can see here. Okay, so the top bar and container. In this container display flags, justify content, a space between, align items center and weight 80% and margin 0 auto. Okay, and dot top bar dot logo image. In this logo image height 50 pixel and width 50 pixel. Okay, now save this file. Yeah, it looks awesome and responsive for sidebar and top bar, you can see. for add a new code, where in our after logo section dot search bar input type text and placeholder search here, and need a button, so button in I and class name fastfa search. Okay, and in this style.css to write dot top bar dot container dot search bar, and in search bar display flags and item center and icons. For input padding 8 pixel, border 1 pixel solid, and button color, and border radius 4 pixel, margin right 8 pixel, and dot top button. In this button padding 8 pixel, 12 pixel, and border or none, and background color variable for VTN color. Okay, and color variable white color, and border radius 4 pixel. Now save this file and cursor pointer. Save this file and check it. Yeah. Okay, and let's for some links, and in our HTML structure file dot top bar links. So in this top bar links, input, no need for input, for anchor tag half and class top bar link, but in our links and link, so careful, and home, and copy paste, and products in here about and contact, but products to using for category, replace category. Okay, save this file, and in our check it. Okay, now style.css, in style.css dot top bar and top bar hyphen links, in these links display flags and dot top bar link, in this link margin right 20 pixel, text decoration none, and color variable for VTN color, font weight bold. Okay, now save this file and check it. Yeah, it looks awesome, but color is not actually visible. For change to color white. For let's go in our style.css, in here body.dark dot top bar for container, and body.dark dot top bar search bar input, body dot dark top bar button. Okay, and top bar links on link color white, otherwise primary color is our white color. But in I have a problem for color is not visible for search bar, to cut in our input section, otherwise full. Well, now save this file and check it. Yeah, it's visible for night mode and light mode.